Ever feel like you're just running on a treadmill that never stops? You wake up, work your tail off for 8 or 10 hours, go home, sleep, and do it all again tomorrow? What if I told you there's a way to break that cycle and actually make money while you're out grabbing coffee with friends, or even fall asleep in bed? It's not a scam video wasting your time, it's a real experience story. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up 5 different streams of income that can bring in $500 minimum every single day. Simple as that. We're living in 2026, and the old school rules of money have totally changed. I've gone from having 0 qualifications and an empty bank account to building a life where money flows in 24/7, and I want to show you how to do the same thing. I'm not selling you a course or promoting an app or an affiliate program in this video. All I need is just a like and subscribe when you watch this one till the end. This is the only way you can support my content. The myth of doing nothing. Let's get real for a second. People love the term passive income because it sounds like you're getting paid to just exist. I used to think it was a total scam, honestly. It sounds too good to be true, right? Here is the truth. It's not about doing nothing. It's about front-loading the work. Think of it like planting a fruit tree. You have to dig the hole, plant the seed, and water it for a while. That part is hard work, but eventually, that tree grows, and you can just walk outside and pick the fruit whenever you want without having to plant a new seed every single day. That is what we are aiming for. If you want to be truly wealthy, you have to find a way to stop trading your limited hours for dollars. Getting paid by big oil and tech. When I was a teenager doing a paper round, I used to hang out at this warehouse. I'd listen to the guys there talking about the stock market. One guy mentioned he was a part owner of ExxonMobil. I was shocked. I thought you had to be a millionaire in a suit to own a company like that. He explained dividends to me. Basically, when a company makes a profit, they give a little slice of that cash back to the people who own shares. It's like a thank you gift for trusting them with your money. Think of it like this. Imagine I start a business selling coffee mugs. I ask you for $1 to help me grow, and in return, I promise to give you 4 cents every single year just for helping out. It sounds small, but when you own slices of dozens of companies, those cents turn into hundreds of dollars. The best part? You don't have to sell the stocks to get the cash. The money just hits your account while you're watching a movie. The world of online selling. I have a friend named Alan. When he was a kid, I used to help him build Lego sets. Fast forward a few years, and I found out he was making over $100,000 a month selling stuff on eBay. That blew my mind. You don't even need a warehouse full of stuff to do this. Have you heard of dropshipping? It's basically being the middleman. You find a cool product, list it online, and when someone buys it, the supplier ships it straight to them. You never even touch the box. If you're going to do this, my advice is to find things that are either super popular or really unique. Don't just be another person selling the same boring phone case. Write better descriptions, take better photos, and treat it like a real brand. It's like opening a shop that never closes, even on Christmas. Real estate without the massive mortgage. Most people think you need a massive pile of cash to get into property. I thought that too, but there are ways to get a foot in the door without buying a whole house. One way is crowdfunding. It's like a big group project where everyone puts a little bit of money into a pot and a pro goes out and buys an apartment building with it. You get a share of the rent every month based on what you put in. Another cool trick is rent to rent. This is where you find a landlord with a nice place and ask if you can rent it long-term to manage it as an Airbnb. You pay them their fixed rent, and you keep everything extra you make from the guests. You're essentially a landlord without actually owning the bricks and mortar. It's a bit more work, but the payoff can be huge. The power of your own voice. My cousin started a YouTube channel just for fun, and by the time he was 30, he was traveling the world with brands like Red Bull. That's when it clicked for me. Social media isn't just for scrolling. It's a business. You can start a channel today with just your phone. You don't need a fancy camera. If you're shy, you don't even have to show your face. You can review videos or tutorials. Think about affiliate marketing. If you bought a vacuum cleaner you love, make a quick video showing how well it works and put a link in the description. If someone buys it because of your recommendation, the store sends you a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson who works 24 hours a day and never asks for a break. Selling what you already know. This is the one that really changed things for me. I once met Richard Branson, and we talked about how information is now more valuable than gold. Think about the biggest companies today. Airbnb doesn't own houses. Facebook doesn't write its own posts. They provide a platform for information. You have something in your brain right now that someone else wants to learn. Maybe you're great at cooking, or you know how to fix cars, or you're a pro at a specific video game. You can turn that knowledge into a digital product like an ebook or an online course. You build it once, and you can sell it 10,000 times. It's a digital asset that lives on the internet and earns you money while you're out living your life. Your next steps. The most important thing I've learned is to never judge a book by its cover. I learned about the stock market from a warehouse worker, and about online business from a kid who loved Legos. Everyone has something to teach you. The world is full of opportunities to build these income streams, but they only work if you actually start. You don't have to do all 5 at once. Just pick one that sounds fun and give it a shot. You might find it difficult to choose at this point. I suggest you watch this video again and identify the best pathway you would like to follow to make some extra money. It's not that hard, and it's not a lie. People out there are using these simple methods to boost their finances for a long time now. Believe me,